Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Muhammad and you are watching MEP Tech Tips channel. After quite long time, we are again in the channel and inshallah we will continue this work. And I have now we have started external work even. So we are going to share with you the external work also. So I am going to share here with you the external drainage work. Then this will be series and it will come part by part because it is more work and more depth, so we will go part by part. I will cannot explain in one video and it will be long and it will be bore for you. So we have two sides, one is building side, one external side. So both has different type of installation, different, and we use different types of pipe for both side, internal and external. And for the pipe type, inshallah I will make separate video for pipe type, and that will be followed based on the specification, and it will be applicable for the different kind of projects. So my project is a hospital based project. It is 100-bed hospital project. So we have different pipes for the different area, like example for the kitchen area, for the pantry area, for the washroom area, for external area we have different pipes. And for the operations and for special rooms for in the hospital we have different pipes. So we'll inshallah cover this one in a different video for the pipe types. So the levels, as you maybe know about the levels, the levels will follow from the first point because the internal work been done already. So I'm expanding the external. So in the external means we will follow the initial level from the building. So whatever levels finalized in the building and which comes out the pipes outer, then that will be the first level of external. So I'm going to show you the initial how we will start the external work, because I'm not explaining about building site. Inshallah, we'll make building site also. In that, I will explain building site work. So we will go how step by step in this area, external area. So I will explain you about how the work moves externally. So initially, everybody knows that we should have a approved shop drawing. So external also inside also we follow MEP coordination drawing. So external also same, we have to have external MEP coordination drawing with other services, because it has electrical, mechanical, all services. For example, district cooling will enter inside, and fire hydrant work also in outside. So fire work is there, water supplies work is there, electrical work is there, the telephone cables go inside, main cables of electrical go inside. So there are so many services externally that should be coordinated with the overall other services. So based on that, we have approved shop drawing, and we will follow the road levels and the external levels, road level, external level, and the over level, like building level, because it's under our boundary level. So we will have different levels like landscaping, hardscaping. So based on that the levels we will finalize, and then we will start our drainage works. So we will have first manual based on internal our building level. Whatever pipe comes out from the building, that is the initial level of our manual. The first manual we will consider, for example 1 meter in internal pipe level is there. So from first manual will be start like 1.2 meter, then it comes and it goes as per the next manual to next manual, next manual to next manual. We will calculate the pipe size, the manual size, manual depth and size according to the municipality regulations. So based on the approved shop drawing we have to follow, because it is very critical. If you do any single mistake, it will be big problem, because external work carries by sometimes civil and mechanical both together. So sometimes mechanical take all the responsibility, excavation and manuals. Sometimes most of the project civil covers this area. So the here in our project also civil is doing the excavation, compaction, everything, and then we are handing over to us, and even the manual works also under the civil people. So here first step the civil will do, they will finalize the levels, and based on the push up drawing they will make the line for the excavation, and they do the excavation according to our manhole depth size and our pipe depth size as per the specification. they will make the excavation of our line, and then they will compact, they will test the soil, and as per the requirement of civil, the soil test is approved, then they will call us for the installation of our pipe. And they will make all the structure of the manholes. As you can see in our video, they will do like steel structure, and based on that we will mark the opening of our pipe based on our inward level as mentioned in our drawing. Then they will also cut that steel, and then we will put our pipe as per the inward level of our uh, pipe. Okay, and that will be done by surveyor. Everything done by surveyor here. You have to take full help, full coordination with surveyor and civil people here. So they will do excavation everything, but even the manhole, when they set up the manhole, first manhole, you have to take your opening, even cross check with the civil surveyor. The civil surveyor will give you the exact level. Based on that, you have to take your internal level and you have to mark your opening there. Then they will cut it and they will give you further work to you can move the further works. So based on that, you can start your pipe laying. Okay, so till in this video we will just stop here, and then inshallah next steps I will continue in next parts. So please guys, share my videos and help uh, other people also via these videos, and inshallah we'll see in part 2. Assalamu alaikum.